Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a neat little blend that I never would have really thought about, but I've been playing around with it. If you take your freehand tool and have it set on 100, you can draw a pretty good abstract, and I didn't meet it very good. Let's get the shape tool and put it like right there and turn that like that. And then if you'll make this line 12 points, let's say, but then go right here to like a dotted line. You can actually pick one that's got more dots, square dots. And then most importantly, you got to hit F12 in your keyboard and scale with object. Because we're going to take a copy of that, Control D, holding down the Shift key that really doesn't work in this case, doesn't put it in the center. And we're going to make that one yellow, and we're going to make this one red. And then I'm going to select them both. I'm going to go to Object and Blend. Go to Effects and Blend 200 times. You know what? I really like the yellow outside. Let's change that. So let's make this one yellow and select this one and make it red. One, it'll be easier to see it. And then select them both. Go up to Effects and Blend. I've already got it open 200 times. You know, it really doesn't really show up till you hit the black background around it. Look at that. Then, you know, you can grab that first blend and move it to wherever you think that looks pretty cool. And then you can double click on it and twist it. And it'll give you some twist. Now, when you do this, the little bitty red dots kind of get messed up and aren't solid. But that's because we just blended it, 200 times. Let's blend it 500 times. And what it did, it made it more solid lines almost. But that's a pretty cool effect. But anyway, you can grab the inside again and move it around, twist it, make it even, I like it the other way, make it even smaller and move it around. And you got a pretty weird effect. I mean, you could move it off the table or off the drawing. I'm trying to grab that first one, put it wherever you want, and do a lot with it. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.